Hello everyone, in this section we'll be going over CSS. So in the previous section we learned about HTML, which helped us structure our website, so allowed us to create paragraphs and headings and tables, but that can only take you so far. Now it's time to style our websites and give our websites a little bit of a personality. So CSS, what does it stand for? It stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It's going to describe how the HTML elements are going to be displayed on our screen or paper or in our other media. So CSS is going to be used to define the styles of our web page, whether that's including design, the layout, and the variations in display for different devices and different screen sizes. So a little bit of an intro to CSS. CSS actually solved a really big problem, because HTML was never intended to contain tags for formatting a web page. Right, HTML was created to describe the content of a web page. For example, we had a heading tag that created a heading, and we all had a paragraph tag. And then pretty soon later on, tags like font and color attributes were implemented to older HTML versions, such as HTML 3.2. And it became a nightmare for web developers like me and you to be able to code and style our websites inside the same document as our HTML websites. So it became a long dreaded process to style our websites. The great thing is now with more updated versions of CSS, we can now actually put our CSS into a different file, allowing us to keep our HTML code really clean and being able to vary out our styling sheets and switching one out for another without affecting the entire HTML code. So that's what we're going to be doing inside this course. We're going to be taking our HTML file and we're going to be separating it away from our style sheet. That's going to save us a lot of time. It's going to make it really easy for us to keep our code nice and clean. It's going to be organized, and we're going to be able to understand everything we're doing inside our code. So in the next lesson, we're going to be learning exactly how to code our first line of CSS. It's going to be super easy. Now the key to mastering CSS is learning all the different types of declarations and being able to correctly identify the selector that we're going to be using. So until the next lesson, see you guys then.